Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to buy a train ticket, please.
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to Paris.
All right. Is that one way or return?
One way, please.
When would you like to travel?
Today in the afternoon.
There is a train at 3:30 p.m.
That's perfect.
First class or second class?
Second class, please.
Would you like a window seat or any seat?
A window seat, please.
The ticket is $25.
Okay, I'll take it.
How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
Thank you. Here's your ticket.
What platform does the train leave from?
From platform 4.
What time should I be there?
Please be there 15 minutes early.
How long is the trip?
About 2 hours.
Great.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Enjoyed the dialogue? Support us with a like.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I just bought a ticket.
All right.
Where is platform 4, please?
Platform 4 is straight ahead and on the right.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far. About 5 minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip. Hello. What would you like?
Hello. I'd like a coffee, please.
Small or large?
A small coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a bottle of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
One small hot coffee and one bottle of still water.
Yes, that's right.
That will be $4, please.
Okay.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Please tap your card.
All right.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip. Good afternoon. May I see your ticket, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Please go inside.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Is this seat 18B?
Yes, it is.
Where can I put my bag?
You can put it over there, above the seats.
Okay, thanks. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Great, thank you.
I hope this English conversation helped you practice real-life English. Like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next English conversation.